Well, it's really good to see you, and I am just packing for this conference in Connecticut that we leave tomorrow already, which just feels so crazy. These things always just sneak up really quickly. But I wanted to show you what I'm planning to wear for the conference, what I'm packing, but also something that I've been learning as I've been preparing for it that might totally change how you look at all of the stuff in your house. So I'm excited to share that with you coming up next. Well, hi, I'm Dawn from The Minimal Mom, and I shared this, I don't know, it must have been a few weeks ago, I can't quite remember, but I've been invited to speak at an integrated health conference in Connecticut, which is just so cool. There's been tons of great topics like anxiety and depression and technology and our kids, and so it's like a really awesome lineup of people. So I'm very honored to be included and to be speaking on the topic of increasing capacity. And so, I mean, I've totally noticed that as we've lowered the inventory of stuff in our house, we have definitely increased our capacity, and life has just gotten really good. And so so I'm really excited to share about it. Obviously super passionate about the topic, and I also get to meet up with some of you on Saturday evening as well. And so I'm sorry if you weren't able to RSVP, we did fill it up, and so that is full, but it is gonna be fun just to get to meet up. But we'll plan to do more of these as well. So if you can't join us this weekend, there'll be more. So I'll look forward to meeting you another time. But I want to show you the outfit that I'm gonna wear to speak, but also I just want to share with you really quickly something that I've been learning as I was researching to prepare for this presentation. So I've read lots of research before, right? This has been a topic that's interested me for quite a while now, but I was kind of like digging back into it preparing for this conference, and I came across this study, and what they did was they followed women around as they gave a tour of their house, and they measured their stress levels at different points throughout the tour. And when they got to areas of their house that were cluttered or messy or unorganized, their stress levels went up. And what it was talking about is that when we have a lot of clutter around us all the time, we live with just this low-lying level of increased cortisol, which is the stress hormone, which causes the flight or fight reaction. And so when we're always living at this low level of stress, well, sometimes high level, right? But when we don't even get a break from it when we go home, and we constantly have this underlying stress, is that it hijacks the part of our brain that makes good decisions. And so it's no wonder that we often find ourselves eating things we know that we shouldn't, or even oversleeping, or binge watching Netflix, or scrolling mindlessly on Facebook, because we're just looking for a relief from it. We're looking for an escape. We're looking for a break from it, right? Like, I mean, we've all experienced that. We're like, I just need a break, you know, just like, can I just get 10 minutes like to myself? And then it turns into 20 minutes and a half hour and an hour. And unfortunately, at the end of it, we don't generally end up feeling any better. You know, I've definitely experienced this in our house, that as we've simplified it, our house is just so much more peaceful, and it's a much more enjoyable place to be. And I do feel like our house is a retreat from the rest of the world and all of the stuff that's going on outside of our house that we can't control and that we just need a break from every single day. You know, I've said this before, but the stuff that is cluttering up our house, unfortunately, isn't just stuff. And it might not even be physical things. It can be, it's like the to-do list, you know, the never-ending to-do list, and the things that always pop into our head when we're trying to unwind or relax. Like, oh, I did do that. Oh, I need to do that. I can't forget to do that. Or even digital clutter, like our, you know, email inbox having 2,000 unread items, the pile of dishes that never quite get done, the pile of laundry that never quite gets done. And I know that, you know, our society will tell us that it's just how life is, especially if you have kids, you know, it's just how it is. We're busy, we're all doing our best, and that it is what it is. And that's what I thought for quite a while too, right? Until I started this journey, and then I realized, like, oh, actually, it doesn't have to be that way, and we can take back our peace of mind, and we can take back the control of our life so it doesn't always feel chaotic, and we can get a reprieve from the stress of the world. And so I know if you're watching these videos, many of you have already started on the journey, or you're definitely interested in it. So I just want to encourage you that as we look at the stuff around our house, to remind ourselves that it's not just stuff, and if it's taken away from our peace of mind and our sense of well-being, then I think it makes it even more important to get rid rid of it and to be even tougher on it. And as we look at these things in our house, to say, nope, you do not deserve a place in our house anymore, and to go ahead and get rid of those things. Because wouldn't it be awesome if our house really could be just a completely peaceful place to come home to at the end of the day, that we could walk around and give a tour of it and they could test our stress levels and they'd be like, oh, this person has no stress when they're at home. Wouldn't that be really cool? I mean, it's not gonna fix everything. Obviously, we're still gonna have things that come up in life, but if we could get a break from it, I think that would really help most of us out a lot. So I hope that's encouraging to you. I did want to show you what I decided to wear for the conference. Well, and what's so nice about packing once you've simplified all your stuff is that it's so easy to pack. But for the conference itself, I'm just wearing this black top. I wanted something that was easy to wear, that I wasn't going to be like tugging at or adjusting, that I didn't have to worry about getting wrinkled while we were traveling. And so I found this black top at Express, and it fits really well. It feels like good quality, and so it's there currently. It was $30. I still have a hard time investing in good items, but I do believe that this is a really like classic piece. I can wear it with my black crop pants, or I can wear it with jeans, and so you know, dress it up, dress it down. I'll have this for a long time. So I did spend the $30 on it. Tom encouraged me. So I'll wear that on top, and then my black crop pants. And so I'm going with kind of a monochromatic look. I don't know, is it a little boring? Possibly, I guess, but I didn't want my clothes to be distracting. And then I have this necklace that I'm gonna wear with it. And then I'm kind of excited about these. I got some new sandals from DSW. My other like dress sandals that I wore in the summer, I've had for like 3 years, and like literally the rubber on the bottom is all worn off. And so I knew this year I was gonna need some new sandals. It is just started snowing here in Minnesota, and it's 30 degrees after we've had like a few weeks of really nice weather. So it's really sad, and it's hard to think about putting sandals on now, but it's been nice in Connecticut, and so I'm gonna wear these sandals. So hopefully they'll add a little bit of personality to the outfit. So that stuff I'm gonna pack. I don't know if I mentioned, my mom's actually coming with, and so I'm really excited about that. We get a few days together, and so we're packing one carry-on suitcase together, but I'll show you how little I have to pack. So I have my black shirt and my black pants and my sandals, and then Diana lent me this top, and so I'm gonna wear that on the plane with jeans, and then I'm gonna wear the same jeans on Sunday, which is our last day there. And then I just got this top from Marshall's yesterday, which is kind of fun, and so I'll wear this top on Sunday while I'm there with the jeans that I wore. And then I just need some pajamas, and that's it. So I'll pack my makeup bag, my hair straightener, some travel size hairspray, dry shampoo, and that's pretty much it. I mean, we're only gonna be gone for like, we leave Friday afternoon and come back Sunday evening, and so hardly even 3 days, so it really isn't that much to pack for. So my mom and I will have no problem fitting it all in here. But I am kind of excited about these new pieces I got, just because they will fit into my spring and summer wardrobe really well, and I'll do an updated video on that too. And so now today I just have to finish up like making the PowerPoint slides for the presentation. I made a little intro video, so I have to finish up editing that and get that over to them. And other than that, I think I'm pretty much ready to go. Oh, I'll show you what else I got for the kids and Tom. So, you know, it's tough when you leave small kids, right? Like, they never want mom to leave. So I had to run into Walmart yesterday, so I just got a movie for them that I'm gonna leave out on the counter, and then I got them some snacks, because I'll leave while the kids are at school on Friday, and Tom will pick them up from school. So I'm gonna have that set out for them as just kind of a surprise for them, and something for them to look forward to do tomorrow night. But other than that, I'll try and vlog the weekend and see how that goes. I'm really excited. I'm getting a little bit nervous now, but mostly I'm just really excited. I'm excited to meet you guys that are coming on Saturday night. That I'm probably most excited about that, to be honest, because it's just so fun to get to put like faces with comments, and just to get to actually see you too. So I'm really looking forward to that as well. So I think that's all. I'll let you know how it goes. I have a couple videos planned for over the weekend while I'm gone, so you'll get to see those too, and then next week I'll catch up with you and let you know how it goes. So I hope this finds you well. I hope it's not snowing where you are. I hope our plane takes off on time tomorrow. But other than that, I would love it if you subscribe so that we can keep in touch. A thumbs up is the best compliment that you can give us, and I look forward to visiting with you again really soon.